this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. Today I'm working on day 10 of Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. And this is a fun one. It has stenciling in the background and some paper strips and a bunch of little photos, which fits perfectly with my wedding album because I've got a lot of little photos. I've got a lot of photos, period. So here I'm bringing out some ballerina and shortbread inks and the blender brushes coordinating with those colors, and I'm going to stencil, I think, the exact stencil that was in the sketch. How perfect is that? Well, maybe not, but it's pretty darn close. So this is really nice. These blender brushes really work out well to get a nice soft look. And you'll notice I take the ink from the ink pad and rub it off onto the stamp pad lid to disperse the ink into the bristles of the brush so I don't get any harsh, intense areas of ink onto my paper. And I'm going to do this stencil all across these two white pieces of paper. On the other side there is a design, but it's a nice heavyweight paper that I use for my bases. For the paper layering at the top and the bottom of the pages, I'm doing a 2-page layout. I'm spreading this sketch out. I'm sorry the camera is so close. I'm at a retreat, so my regular setup is not there, and I didn't notice that it was so close, but you kind of get the idea. I'm taking the paper, and this is old, close to my heart printed paper, very, very old. And I fold it in half and tear it along that fold and then cut it off with my trimmer. So I have a bunch of strips that have one torn edge and one soft cut edge. And I'm going to layer them up one over the other and then really distress them. I think I've got 3 colors of paper, one really light, then a tan, and then the deeper brown pattern paper. And I'm going to just layer them up at the bottom and the top, and you will be able to see those a little bit better coming up here. I'm gluing them down, adding glue to the base white, and then adding the paper to it and sliding them up underneath. And then I'm going to distress the edges with my fingernails and lift them up to really give them a distressed old look. It looks so cool. I love it. So with the magic of video, my layout is done. And I'm just going to show you what I did. Sorry that I didn't record it. Yeah, it was just distracting being at the crop. But you can see those paper layers, and I did use splattering with the DWeber acrylic gloss sprays. I added some of the embellishments from the Now and Forever paper collection. The title is with the ballerina glitter paper. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then I layered that onto some of the tan paper. It's one of our retired papers. I'm not sure which one it was. And this is the companion page, and it matches really well. I love how these came out. They're nice, soft looks, and the stenciling in the background was perfect. So very, very easy layouts. And if you haven't looked already, there are lots of other people participating with these sketches. Please check them out in the playlist below in the video description for that link and get some creative inspiration. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day.